Good morning, everybody. It's me, Jeff K, Space Surfer, 823.25. We've got some waves out there, 4 or 5 feet. Another great day. My shoulders are cooked. Yours probably are too. It is the weekend. It's crowded. Be kind, be polite out there. Share a wave. Not really. Just know the rules and do your best. And yeah, low tide today, 2 p.m. Next rocket launch this evening. It's going to be at 2:45 a.m. Saturday, Sunday morning combo. And that's going to be a landing zone 1 for you dogs out there. Be careful. Those dogs get scared on the return of those. And enjoy yourself. Have a great weekend. Give me a subscribe. Feel good about everything.